In this lesson you will be learning about how to start using the Intution Sales and Invoicing solution. Once you arrive to the Intution login page, you can log into the system using your credentials. Once the login details are entered, the system will authenticate them. Then you will be taken to the Intution Sales and Invoicing homepage. Let us first familiarize ourselves with the homepage of the Intution Sales and Invoicing solution. The Intution Sales and Invoicing homepage is designed in a rather user-friendly manner, using sleek technology to provide an interactive and convenient user experience for you. The tiles enable quicker access to the diverse functionalities, such as the dashboard, calendar, task and events, notification, activity log, sales order, sales invoice, customer receipt, customer refund, and different types of reports. To the top right of the screen, you can see a panel of icons. The notifications icon will alert you of the completed activities. The task icon will consist all tasks that have been assigned for you. By using the configuration icon, you can change the theme color, account settings, and the password. Finally, you could use the sign out icon to lock your screen or to sign out from the system after you have completed your work. In the next lesson you will be learning about how to generate a sales invoice using the Intution Sales and Invoicing solution.